Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where you are staying in with Willow. So in this video today we're going to be doing a wardrobe stroke closet edit, and that is that big green thing behind me that's looking like a jungle. It kind of looks like a jungle inside, which is why we're doing the edit today. And I wanted to do that with you guys so that you can see how to clean up your closet, have everything organized so that it's far easier to find bits or items that you need. So I come from a fashion background, but even before I did any kind of study in fashion, I've always kept my wardrobe to a standard. My thing is to keep things organized just so that it's more easy to find bits when you're on the go. So I'm doing this wardrobe edit with you guys so that you can see how it's done. It's probably going to be a little bit of an interesting watch. I know I like to watch these kinds of videos because I always pick up ideas myself. So if you do pick up any ideas, give it a try and see if it makes your life any more easier in the morning, especially if you have children and you've got to get yourself ready and you've got to get the kids ready and you can't find anything. It's far more easier whether you're preparing bits from the night before or you're going to grab it in the morning. And the reason why I'm making this edit is because we are coming towards the end of summer. This video won't be as long as I would like it to be. I'll probably put it into the wardrobe tidy because at the moment I'm really interested in nudes and other neutral tones. So I'm going to be taking out all of my color. Yep, no more color except one, which is pink, and that is kind of like how do you say, magneta? You know what I mean, pink. That's the only color that I'm intending on wearing for autumn and winter if I did want that color pop. I will be having nude sections and white, black, grey. So I'm in love with
I'll be adding the
now.
Neutral tones wardrobe edit in the second video.
Just me totally eliminating the summer stuff because by then we should be out of summer, and bringing all my warmer clothes. So I hope you guys enjoy what it is I'm about to do today. And maybe you could do something like this for yourself at home. You don't have to do it for yourself, you could do it for the kids or help a friend out as well, especially those that need a little bit of wardrobe guidance. So yeah, let's get to it. So here we are over at the wardrobe. So what you want to do first and foremost is create 3 piles, and that will be what you're keeping, maybe your charity stroke giveaway pile. So let's go.
So first of all, you just want to get everything out, and I've sped this up just to get things out as quickly as possible to not bore you all.
So this is the huge pile that I've created. I've already got my work cut out for myself for the rest of the afternoon. So I'm going to work on getting these back in. It'll probably take me quite some time, but we will get there before the evening's out. I just wanted to talk about hangers, and this is my pet peeve when it comes to wardrobe. I don't like to have a variation of colour. I don't want to see pink, green, you know, all different sizes and qualities of hangers. I like a certain few. It sounds ridiculous, but it just all helps in making things look tidy. So the kind of hangers I mostly stick with is the velvet kind. So one of the hangers that I use is a velvet type, and this is for your like cottons and wools. I tend to hang cardigans and jumpers on these kinds of hangers and other heavier items that are quite stretchy so that they don't slip off the hanger, and to also make sure that they don't give the clothes like any indentations. I don't really like names on hangers, but if the hanger is of good quality I will keep it, and it has to be black. And I just keep these hangers obviously to hook things under here so that they don't slide off. These hangers are for trousers. I can't remember where I got these from. Oh, they're from IKEA. These are for trousers so that when I do iron them, like more my formal work trousers or formal trousers in general, I fold them over the hanger. I don't hang them so that they're hanging like a trouser. I fold them over, but I don't want a crease that goes kind of along my knee, and because this hanger is quite thick, it doesn't do that. These are my go-to hangers. They're from TK Maxx and Wilko, a combination of both. And these are the ones I kind of hang most of my clothes on, and these are the majority of the hangers that I have in my wardrobe, and they can hold most bits. Obviously it doesn't have any hooks, so I go for my hook hangers. And the other type of hanger is wood. If I could have all my hangers made out of wood, I would. But it seems to be difficult. It seems to be a difficult find in terms of finding hangers that are small enough. I don't want chunky hangers like this throughout the wardrobe because it takes up a lot of hanging space. when it comes to getting the clothes in, but wood hangers are equally useful for your coats and heavier items. I tend not to put coats in my wardrobe though, because they're outside clothing, so I hang them separately in like a cupboard downstairs. But blazers and jackets that I hardly wear, like I'll just wear on a night out, I'll hang that in the wardrobe. I always ventilate them first, corona or no corona. I ventilate them and put them in the wardrobe on more chunkier hangers. So from this point, this is where I further sort the clothes and then put them back into the wardrobe. I do just kind of place them in the wardrobe, and then once I get the visual, I then put them into the correct sections. Again, I'm just going to speed it up as much as I can just to get this little bit out of the way. So here it is. This is my wardrobe edit. What I've done is I've gone with colour, and I've also gone with the type of clothes. For example, we've got the denim section there with the blues, and then it goes into black shirts, white shirts, grey, black, white. And further on, you've got your pinky section there in the middle, white t-shirts, and you've got some colourful bits down there. And going into the corner, that's my trousers, black, white and blue, and I've got some blue leather trousers in there as well. So that's my wardrobe all organised. I know where everything is. Just helps to keep the space tidy looking. And on the other side we have bits that I don't wear too often and probably won't be wearing for now. We have suits or matching like co-ords. We have jackets and cardigans, long cardigans. We've got like funky colours. I do love my funky colours in terms of like shirts, skirts, and Coachella style meshy thing. It's lovely. And some of my favourite co-ords. I can't wait to wear them again. I've only worn them like once or twice, so I'm looking forward to wear them again. But there you have it, that's a wardrobe edit all done. So there we have it, the wardrobe is done and I've made my 3 piles. This pile right here is now drawer stuff, so clothes that I would wear inside of the house. This pile right here will be going into the suitcase, holiday clothes, so that's clothes that I would no longer wear the rest of this year. And we've got a pile here at the back. This is my giveaway. Dress I've never worn, which I bought for Halloween. Dress I've worn a couple of times. I think I'm finished with it now. And another little pretty top that I've never worn. And the one at the back, well, this is a skirt that I love. I bought it years ago and I never got it altered. It's too long. So here is my piles. So that's it, that was my wardrobe edit. If you like what you saw, please like this video. And just to go over everything I done and what I said in the beginning, to start a wardrobe edit, first of all, you've got to take everything out and then sort things into sections for what you want to keep, give to charity or give away. As you saw, I've also had a pile as well for holiday clothes. Make sure you hang your clothes on the right hanger to avoid damaging the fabrics and the shape of the clothes. Organise by colour, and you can also organise by category like dresses, skirts, trousers, so on and so on. You can also separate by seasons, so you can take the bits that you know you're not going to be wearing anytime soon out of the wardrobe and pop it into some kind of cupboard or suitcase just to store away until the next year, and store everything in the right place just to make it easier for yourself to find. So once again guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, do comment, share, like, put the bell on for notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.